There's a kitty. Jita. It's okay, Sal. Did you get him, Jeety? All right, that's enough. Quiet. Jita. Jita, come. Jita. Jita. Okay. Sal, it's okay. It's all right. Settle. All right, Jita, leave it. Come. She was going to eat Kitty. Jita. Come here, babe. No, Jita, come. Good girl. Did you get that kitty? Yeah, you knew something was there. I figured. How come your hackles are up? Look at her hackles. Where's that rotten kitty?